Hello! We have another English lesson for you today. In today's video, we will teach you some ways to make suggestions and accept or reject ideas in English. Please enjoy.
Making a suggestion. How about? This is an easy way of suggesting something. One thing to be careful of is that if you follow this phrase with a verb, you need to use the ing ending for that verb. How about is a more casual way of suggesting something. If you want to be even more casual, you can get rid of the verb. For example, instead of how about getting sushi, you can say, how about sushi?
Why don't you? Why don't we? This is a common way to suggest something. It is more formal than how about.
If I were you, I would. This is used to suggest that another person do something. It is a more advanced way of giving advice.
I suggest that. I propose that. This is our last phrase for making a suggestion. It can be used in any situation, but most native English speakers only use it in more formal situations, such as meetings or when giving a speech.
Accepting or rejecting an idea. That's a great idea. I love it. Excellent. Let's do it. These are all different ways to accept someone's idea.
Sorry, but that won't work because these are both ways to reject an idea. These phrases allow you to explain why you don't think the idea is good.
Let's keep thinking about it. This is a nicer way of rejecting an idea. For many people, especially Americans, rejecting an idea directly by saying no or that's a bad idea is too strong. It is more natural to say this phrase.
I don't think we can do that. This is another nice way to reject an idea. You can explain your reason after, or you can just say this phrase.
Now, let's watch some examples. What should we have for dinner tonight?
Why don't we make omelets?
That's a great idea.
Excellent.
Sorry, but I'm allergic to eggs.
So, how will we make English class safe for students when they return to school?
I suggest that we have English classes outside.
Ooh, that sounds so fun. Let's do it.
That won't work because students won't be able to concentrate if they are outside.
Let's keep thinking about it. Maya, do you have any good ideas for a Halloween costume?
How about a cat? It is fast and easy.
True, but a cat is a bit boring.
If I were you, I would dress up as a vampire. I think it would suit you.
I love it. Thanks for the help. We hope that you enjoyed today's video about giving suggestions and accepting or rejecting ideas. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you next time.